Umur sosugia beri besani sago yak suluk muluk tei rompre sopre khlakia umur chakra. Abno kiti ingino mamla finka Kerongphang juri mana tei alongo Chobna daki murukha Kerongphang. Pati maruk sawu sawi manka 2019 bisi August talni dok salmari salni fungni dam chukuni simi dam chitamno jorawo khoi thana amsaini purbo gonki kamini umur sosugia umur chukuni umur sosugia brinyo nogo sachung mani umur chakra yak sulung muluk rompre sompre khlakia umur sosugia buri buma bu phasong nogo phai joto pati ma sawi manke o salni sarigono umur sosugia brini buma bu phasong khwai thanawo rompre sopre tei yak sulung muluk khlaimani mamla finka yak sulung muluk rompre sompre khlani ingkha Ojoy das umur dokchi nei bini munguno sija koksusa murka khwai thanawo sija koksusa mung mane khwai thana police Azorao tongnai sub inspector Sumon Dev pati mane chiri ne mungo ongkhore Ojoy das no romkha salkolo mamla ingmani yagulo dorbar nokni Kerongphang Songkori das ni tuidul mungbai Ojoy das no majra phinima rimangkha o mamlani rai ruthani wo Kerongphang Songkori das 9 of Posco 1 ni dara rogui bisibani jelo saklakya asik simia 448 ni dara rogui taldong ni jelo saklakya logi khok ba sai rang jorimana nibo saklai rekha o mamlani bagui jotui khorok nichi tham saki rekha tei o mamlano toidul nai engkha kerong Ojit Sarkar.
An incident occurred on last 6/8/2019. Incident is that one minor victim girl age about 9 years was raped by his neighbor. His name is some Ojoy Das. He is about 63 years. He was committed rape upon the victim girl of his same neighbors. On the same day, that is 6/8/2019, the mother of the victim lodged an FIR before the Khwai police station, and on the same day Khwai registered Khwai PS case number 79/2019. Later on 39/2019, IO SI Sumon Dev filed charge sheet before this learned court, means session judge, special judge Pokso Khwai. And then trial started, and after prosecution witnesses, 23 witnesses are examined. And today learned special judge Srimati Shankari Das convict the accused Ojit Das under section 5 years under section 5 years sentence him to 5 years conviction under section 10 of Pokso Act, and for under 448 IPC 6 months.